We are thrilled to introduce you to Fusion's latest collection of paint shades featuring 7 new captivating colors. Inspired by the idyllic charm of the country, these new shades are set to invoke a familiar elegance into your home. This collection covers a wide range of tones found within the beauty of countryside landscapes, from soothing dried lavender to the rich depth of freshly picked plums. Your heart and home will feel wrapped up in the warmth of these rustic hues and versatile palette. We invite you to explore these new shades and weave your own tapestry of tranquility. Transform your home into your countryside dream, where each color enhances serenity and invites you to enjoy its timeless charm. Explore Fusion's newest additions and paint it beautiful.